Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnails really easy by using Gemini. And here are some limitations of Gemini that you need to know before you start creating, so that you don't waste your limits and you don't end up wasting your potential best prompts, so that like you start making the best tire thumbnails right away. So what you need to know is that Gemini Free can create 100 images per day, and it resets after 24 hours. And when you will ask them that how many have you used, they will say that they don't have a visible counter, but you have plenty of room left to make. So you need to remember this, that you only have 100 images limit per day, because a lot of time we start creating images and we just test out at first, with just random prompts, and then we end up wasting our monthly limit. So to create thumbnail, I have used Gemini to create thumbnail in my own videos, in my own channel. So the best thing that works with Gemini is that you give them one image of yourself, and then you give them one example that how you want your video's thumbnail to be, and then tell them to make the thumbnail. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's pick anyone, for example Tom Cruise, right? So we're gonna give one image of Tom Cruise, and really a close shot like this one, right? So let's copy image. You don't even need to download the image, and come here, tap here and hit Control V. And now you have to give Gemini an example. So let's say grow in YouTube guide, and let's go to images. For example, you want a video like this, or let's say this one. So what you're gonna do is open the snipping tool, hit new, and just select it again. Or I'm sorry, you can just, now what you need to do is you can just right click and go copy image, and you can come here, tap here, Control V, paste it. Now you have to give the prompt that the first image shows my face and how I look, and the second image is how I want my YouTube video thumbnail to be. And the more specific you will be about your video, the better thumbnail it will create. For example, we will give it a title. Let's say we're gonna give it best keyword research tools for Amazon affiliate, right? And we write here title of my video, and then you give a little description that in this video I have used Ahref keyword go Google keyword planner and many more keyword softwares, and showed people the best one. Okay, so this should be enough. Again, the more detailed you will write about your video, the more better it will create your thumbnails. So now if you hit enter, if they give you text like this, just say give me the image. as you can see. Let's see our example image. So this was the example we gave. You can see this is a video about YouTube, so there is a logo of YouTube, and creator growth guide for online courses and membership, and this was our face, and we told them to replicate that. You can see how well they created this thumbnail, and you can see the face is exactly as we said it, to be. Now this is how you can create your thumbnail in minutes, and you can use, as I've showed you, that you can use 100 image per day, so it can generate 100 images per day.